Good morning, friends. We are back with math lesson 9.2 today. And today we're going to continue practicing extended multiplication and division facts. So remember that extended facts take a basic fact and extend it by either tens or 100s. We haven't gotten to thousands yet. But inside every extended fact is a basic fact. Would you, on your piece of paper, write down the answers to these extended facts? The first one is 2 times 30. So you would think about the basic fact, 2 times 3, and then extend that by 10. So 2 times 30 is 60. How about 9 times 50? What is 9 times 50? Look for the basic fact, 9 times 5. So 9 times 5 is 45, and 45 tens would be 450. This time, it's an extended division fact, 90 divided by 3. You can also think of this as 3 times what equals 90? And that would be 30. All right, a few more, same idea. What would 6 times 80 be? Look for the basic fact, 6 times 8, and extend it. So 6 times 80 would be 480. What about 70 times 9? Basic fact is 7 times 9. Extend that into 630. And then division, 810 divided by 9 equals what? Or you could think 9 times what equals 810. 9 times 90 equals 810. 3 more, same idea. 70 times what number equals 560? 70 times what number equals 560? 70 times 8 equals 560. 360 equals 6 times what number? 6 times 60 would equal 360. And then finally, what divided by 4 equals 50? Or you could turn that into a multiplication problem. 4 times 50 equals what? 4 times 50 equals 200. All right. I'd like you to go ahead and open your math journals now to pages 277 and 278. You will see that on these 2 pages, they show the masses of various North American birds. So on these 2 pages, could you find a bird that could have a mass of 10 kilograms? And then find a bird that could have a mass of 10 grams. It says share your findings with a partner, but instead I'd like you to just go ahead and write on your page. What is a bird that could have a mass of 10 kilograms? And what is a bird that could have a mass of 10 grams? So when I look across these 2 pages, looking for a bird that could have a mass of 10 kilograms, I see that the California condor is between 8 and 14 kilograms, so it could have a mass of 10 kilograms. 10 falls within the 8 to 14 range. And when I look at the black-capped chickadee, it has a mass between 9 and 14 grams, so it could have a mass of 10 grams. When you think about which one of those birds has a bigger mass, one is 10 grams and one is 10 kilograms, I want you to remember that a kilogram is exactly 1,000 grams. And remember that we think of a gram as approximately the mass of 1 paper clip. So a kilogram would be about 1,000 paper clips. So when you look at the black-capped chickadee or the California condor, the California condor at 10 kilograms would have a much bigger mass than the black-capped chickadee. All right, keep looking at these 2 pages. We're going to use this information to solve this number story. It says 10 identical birds are sitting on a wire. They have a combined mass of 500 grams. What types of bird could they be? So when we look at this problem, we have some important pieces of information to pay attention to. The first is that there are 10 identical, meaning same birds sitting together. And when you add up or multiply all of their masses, it's 500 grams. So if I put that into a diagram, I could say that 10 times some number equals 500. 10 times some number equals 500. So I am going to think about what basic fact is in here. I see 10 and 50, and I know that 10 times 5 equals 50. So if I wanted to extend it to 500, I would know that 10 times 50 equals 500. So 10 birds that have a mass of about 50 grams would answer this number story. Go ahead and look on your posters in your book. What birds could have a mass of about 50 grams? Yeah, there are 2 options. The northern cardinal could have a mass of about 50 grams, or the red-winged blackbird could also have a mass of about 50 grams. All right, go ahead and turn your page to page 279. It says North American Bird Number Stories at the top, and you are going to solve each number story. You're welcome to draw a picture or a multiplication division diagram, but go ahead for each problem and write a number model, here where it says number model, and then an answer about how many kilograms or grams, and this space is where you can show your work. I would like you to complete this page. You're going to need to use the 2 pages before it, 277 and 278, for information. And once you finish this page, move on to Math Boxes 9.2, and then later today, HomeLink 9.2. Have fun, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Thanks.